Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Something a bit different today. We are muck carting on this John Deere 6215. So 215 horsepower with about a 20 horsepower boost. So we're on that today. Behind us we have got a 16-ton Richard Weston with pheasant muck today, which we're carting, which is about 11 mile distance. So yeah, this is the one with the command arm, and yeah, it's a nice tractor to be in, a nice car to be in for a good day. The second day on it, we've got two of us karting. We got a 6155 with a hunting leg 16-ton trailer as well. So I think it's 16-ton. It could be a bit. No, I think yeah, that is 16-ton. So yeah, that's what we're doing. On the back roads, we haven't met too many people. Sort of 5 o'clock-ish, you seem to find a fair few people. We've got a bicyclist here. Make sure we don't run them over. Make sure you don't hit the mirrors as well. But yeah. So I'll try and get some different angles. But yeah, plenty of power this tractor's got. But yeah, I know they brought out the new style 6Rs now. I can't see a lot they changed. Just the outside of the cab looks different. I mean, you get a fridge which is there, but it's the same fridge. Surely, I mean, they should have upgraded the cab, a better fridge, better radio, as the Bluetooth always cuts out on these John Deeres. If you haven't driven one, you won't know. Car's pulled over to the side here. We've got a horse box now. But yeah, so they haven't really updated much in the cab. Obviously you get this joystick, and you can get the other joystick in the new style for like a front loader. I'm not sure what they call it, but yeah. But we have got, I think it's come today, a 8RX on demo, so that'd be interesting to see how that compares. I think it's 370 horsepower. It's a 370 model. Don't hold me to it, but I think it is. So yeah, that'd be interesting to see. And then there is as we have got the 8370 RT, so it'd be interesting to see how that compares to it. But yeah, I think it's a wider. A bit bumpy on this road. It's a wider. The tracks are wider, so it's more of a footprint. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see action wise, but yeah, anyway, I'll get some different shots, but yeah, enjoy. So this is what we're driving, a 6215 Ultimate Edition. Not a bad tractor, it's got a front PTO, plenty of power. It's on hire at the moment. But yeah, very nice tractor. Fairly big weight on her. So we're now tipping up here on the pad. This is the weigh log, so it weighs every load for me. Just so you roughly know what you got. This one's about 15 and a half ton. So we're now tipping it here. I think Richard Western trays are pretty good and very local to us where they're built. So that's always a good thing. So the backup's there when you need it. But yeah, so it's now up. Gradually move forward here. The thing with Muck, you had to tip it quite high. We're empty, so make sure you close the tailboard. But yeah, I'll show you outside of here. So here's the commander. A lot of people like it, a lot of people dislike it. If you're fairly modern, you'll probably like it. So you can go onto your main dash here. Everything is customizable on it. So I'll show you once I've finished this spool. Once the tray is lowered here. So everything on here is customizable. So you've got B, you've got A, B, and you've got C, D on the back here. So let's say we want A. We want to change that, you just press on it and you can customize it to what you want. So if you want it on whatever spool you want it on, spool 1, you just press spool 1 and it just goes straight onto it, and now spool 1 will lift the tray up and down on A. So yeah, or you can have you can make the lift arms go up and down. So let's say you're in the field, it's really handy, everything's on there, you can slow down and go quicker on it. By pushing it forward, like now, that'll go forward. Push it to the side, that'll go back. So yeah, you've got 2 set speeds here. You just press on it, you can go up and down and speed it up. So it's all pretty simple to get your head around. But yeah, you got 2 work speeds here. Push it to the right and that will go to that set speed. So if you're going quicker, you push it to the right, that'll brake for you. So I forgot to bring my window mount, so yeah, it's just on a magnet mount at the moment. But yeah, harvest 2022 is all done. Like every year I say I'm going to get some footage, but never do. Just sort of how it ends up. But the ground's so bloody hard at the moment. We can't get any groundwork done. Oh, another car or a van. I mean, you can try and drill some rape, but I don't think a lot of people have. But you really want some moisture there. I mean, the cracks are so deep. This rapeseed's so small that'll just go straight through. So yeah, so you really want some rain. We did have some rain, only about 3 mil, 2-3 mil, not enough. But with the ground being so hard, there's not a lot you can do. So a lot of people are just spreading muck or moving muck. So everyone's trying to get their hands on muck if they can. If you look at fertiliser prices at the moment, £400 a tonne, roughly around there. You'd rather get your hands on some muck than spread fertiliser. So muck is a pretty big thing at the moment. Trying to get your hands on it if you can. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. So yeah. Red diesel prices are still fairly high. I think it's about £1.20 a litre plus. And I ordered my own red diesel for myself. I just got myself a new hedge cutter, which I'll make a video on once it arrives. So hopefully I'll get a bit of work with that. but I'm working for someone else at the moment, which I've been doing 2 years now. Last year I worked for them on the harvest, and this year I did. January time I'm going away to New Zealand with some mates, so that'll be interesting. I'm not sure if you guys have been before, or anyone watching this, if they are watching this. But yeah, I think it'll be a really good experience to see what the farming's like over there, see how it compares. It'll be interesting to see. Drive some different equipment. But yeah, really looking forward to it. So I'm going there in January for 4 to 5 months. So yeah. So I reckon we'll have another day on the muck tomorrow, about half a day I reckon, and we should get it done. So tomorrow's Friday. So that means our jobs. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to call it there. Hopefully, it hasn't been too short, or hopefully not too long. But more videos like this to come. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.